Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Venery Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss in details about University of Melbourne admission and scholarship process. Before going on details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon as you will receive all important upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. Here you can see I have opened the official page of University of Melbourne International Applications. To help you do this, follow our step-by-step guide below on how to apply for graduate research courses. Here are 7 steps to apply. When you will be admitted in any course, then you automatically be considered for scholarship. Here you can see, if eligible, you will automatically be considered for a graduate research scholarship. You may also be eligible for other scholarships and bursaries which require an application. First you have to apply for admission. When you will be admitted, then they will consider you for the scholarship program. First of all, step number 1, choose your course. Here you can see the courses in which you want to apply: Doctor of Philosophy, Doctorate by Research, Master of Philosophy, Master by Research. Here are different courses. You can easily find out here graduate courses page. Here we can find courses for graduate courses, for graduate degree, accounting, you can see agriculture sciences, architectural engineering, architecture, arts and culture. So most of the departments are available to apply for the admission process. Then check eligibility and fees. There is application fees that you have to pay when you will apply for the admission. In eligibility criteria, you need to meet minimum eligibility to apply for graduate research courses. This include course requirements, English language requirements, and meeting the student visa conditions set by Department of Home Affairs. Here you can see, if you want to study for less than an academic year, you will need to apply as an exchange or study abroad student through a separate application. For example, you want to apply for an exchange program 6 months or 9 months, then you have to fill in other application, different application form, separate application form. If eligible, you will automatically be considered for a graduate research scholarship, as I told you earlier, that provides a living allowance and or tuition fee remission scholarship. More than 300 of these scholarships are offered to international graduate researchers each year. Then in step 3, prepare your documentation. At minimum, you will need to provide academic transcripts and your CV with your application. If you are currently studying, you will also need to provide a transcript of your final results and evidence of completion as soon as they are available. So for example, if you are studying in final semester and you want to apply, then you have to give your transcripts up to the 7 semesters. For example, usually there's bachelor's degree they do for 8 semesters, then you have to provide them 7 semester transcripts, mark sheets. Academic transcripts you can see here, and referees, academic referees, reference letters, or recommendations, you have to provide them, 1 or 2. For PhD students, there's a requirement of publications, and then find a supervisor. Step 4 is apply with Melbourne. How to apply? If you are a current student at Melbourne, apply through your student account. If you are a new student, you can also apply. So you have to click here in this blue line. You can find here the application portal of University of Melbourne. Here you can apply, create an account and apply for that. Step 5, be assessed and wait for offers. First they will assess your academic background and then they will offer you for enrollment process. Step number 6 is search for a scholarship. There are different scholarships, traveling scholarship, other grants and bursaries, endeavors scholarships, so you can easily apply for that. Or you will be, if your academic background is good, then you will be automatically be considered for a scholarship. Plan for accommodation, and in final you can plan for your accommodation, hostels and share houses, student apartments, etc. So all these are the details about the scholarship process, admission and scholarship process of University of Melbourne, Australia. Further, if you have any question, you can ask in comment box or you can contact me on Telegram group. The link is given in the video of the description of this video. So that's it for today. See you soon in next video. Take care.